Hello, today I'm repairing an iPhone XSMAX. The fault is that there is no service. Install card test, also no service. Disassembly test. It found that the motherboard stick is gone. We can know that this phone has been repaired. The inside of phone also smells of rust. If you look closely, you can find that the back shell has also been replaced. So we can guess that this phone is a heavy fall damage machine. Next, we take out the motherboard and take a look. There is a lot of rust on the motherboard. It feels sticky. Lower the look. Observe carefully after lowering. The motherboard has not been repaired. It may be the previous master just simply perfored the second fit. Under the microscope, we can see that the motherboard has loose points. This may be the cause of the phone failure. Next, we just need to fit it. Install test again. Card test. The phone is fixed. Do you also think repair a mobile phone is so easy? For more mobile phone repair knowledge, follow me. See you next time.